all stock trading courses. Join thousands of learners and take a stock trading course with me. Whether you're new to stock trading and need to learn the basics or you're an experienced, numerology has a significant role in stock market to earn more money by investing in lucky sector. Life path number can be calculated by adding all the digits of top and reducing into single digit from 1 to 9. If you have life path number 4 Rahu and 8 Saturn, then you are not made for trading, but you can be a consultant. Life path number 3 Jupiter, Venus's automobile and hotel, FMCG, Ketu oil and gas, forex, Saturn machinery engineering, Mars real estate and property. Timing. Numerologists may also attempt to use numerology to predict favorable or unfavorable times to enter or exit the market. They might consider specific dates or periods that align with their numerological calculations. Timing. Numerologists may also attempt to use numerology to predict favorable or unfavorable times to enter or exit the market. They might consider specific dates or periods that align with their numerological calculations. Price analysis. Numerologists may analyze stock prices or indices using numerological techniques. They may look for patterns or significance in the numerical values associated with stock prices. Need to know your lucky sectors. I use astrology to ascertain the numbers, letters which are lucky for you according to your DOB to find favorable stocks, commodities, currency pairs, days, years, and dates.